A common question that is often asked is that how do I refrain from listening to music, watching a lot of movies, watching a lot of Netflix because it distracts me from the Quran? And a very easy answer that is often given is that you need to engage more in zikr. But there's a problem with this answer. What we fail to understand is that when our body likes something, the minute you make that thing prohibited or haram for yourself, your body craves for it even more. And of course, after a while, when the craving becomes so strong, it's virtually impossible for you to control yourself. So during these moments, it is best to use the strategy that Allah used on the believers 1400 years ago. When you study the surahs that were revealed in Makkah, the first time Islam was being introduced, for almost 12 years, the basic message that was being sent focused on Tawheed, and it focused on the coming of a day of judgment. There were several verses that were dedicated to explaining Allah, His might, power, compassion, mercy, His love for mankind, and explaining the purpose of our life. And it was only much later when Sharia was introduced. This is the model that we have to be copying today. We need to first understand who God is. We have to practice Tawheed as it should be practiced. We have to inculcate taqwa and God consciousness, understand the reason for our existence, understand the spirit of Islam, and only then, once you truly understand God, leaving anything for Him will become easy.